Om Guramote, Om Guramote. My dear 10th class students, in the outcast we have discussed about trigonometric ratios for angle 45 degrees. Okay, now in this section we are going to discuss about trigonometric ratios for 90-degree angle. Okay, for that to obtain the trigonometric ratios of 90-degree angle, so we have to consider one triangle ABD. We have to consider one right angle triangle ABC. Okay, A B C. Okay, now see here angle B equal to 90 degrees. Okay, that is fixed. Okay, now angle A equal to theta. Angle A equal to theta. Okay, now so let the AC equal to, you don't know. So you don't know the measurement of AC. So let the AC equal to all units. Okay, let AC equal to all units. All units. Okay, all units. Okay, now we have to make one angle A equal to theta now. We have to make angle A equal to 90 degrees. Okay, for that purpose, so suppose here in this angle, the angle is 30 degrees. Okay, then in next here, as we increase the angle of point A, what we can get, okay, now here see, here A dash, A, B, C. Now here in this figure angle theta equal to 15 degrees. Okay, now see here, if here angle theta equal to 30 degrees, and the figure is like this. So as we decrease the angle, as we reduce the angle value of A, the point A comes from the actual position to near to the point B. Okay, so as the angle increases, the point is coming towards the point. The point A is coming towards the point B. Okay, now see, angle A equal to here, angle A equal to here, angle A equal to 30 degrees. Okay, so here the angle A equal to 60 degrees. Okay, now for suppose okay, now what you can get here, the angle A equal to 80 degrees. Okay, here the angle A equal to 80 degrees. So the point moved very near to the point B. Okay, this point A dash. Okay, C, A, B. Okay, here theta equal to what? 80 degrees. Okay, so next the angle is 85 degrees. Okay, if theta equal to 85 degrees, then the angle can come more near to the the point A will come more near to the point B. Okay? So what happens? As the point at the angle increases, okay, as the value of the angle A equal to theta increases from 30 to 85, the point A is moving near. Means what? The point A is moving towards to the point B. Okay? For suppose if theta equal to 90 degrees, then the actual figure will be like this. Okay? Okay? Yes. Here B. Here C. Okay? Now here also it is. So here angle A. Okay, here point A. And the point A we are making 90 degrees angle. Okay, the point A we are making 90 degrees angle. Means what? The point A is the point A came towards the point B, and the 2 points are mixed together. Means what? The 2 points A and B are coincide with each other. Okay, so they know length of the line segment AB. So AB equal to 0. AB equal to 0 each. AB equal to 0 units. Okay, and now AC. What is AC? AC is combined with the line segment BC. Yes or no? So AC equal to, so BC equal to R units. Okay? In doubt? Okay, you can only theta equal to 30 degrees. Okay? Then the figure is like this. Okay? Now we are increasing the angle. Means what? Point A like theta on the theta angle is we are increasing. Okay? So the bond changes from A to A. Okay? If that is 80 degrees, then the bond can come more near to the point B. Okay? If theta equal 85 degrees, then it can come very near to the point B. Okay? Now, if theta equal 90 degrees, then the point A will coincide with the point B. Okay? So, BC equal to AC. Why? BC line segment and AC line segment represent only one line segment on the earth. Because why? The point B and the point A are coincide with each other. Okay? So according to this concept, BC equal to AC. BC equal to AC equal to R units. Okay? So there is no distance between A and B. Yes or no? There is no distance between the 2 points A and B. Why? As angle A equal to 90 degrees, angle A equal theta equal to 90 degrees, the point A is in the point A came near to the point B, and the point B and the point A, the 2 points are coincided with each other. Means what? The point B and point A representing only one point on the earth. Okay, represent the bond. We are the bond here representing only one point on it. So there is no distance between A and B because the 2 points are representing only one point. So there is no distance between A and B. So AB equal to 0 each. Okay? Now, by these two figures, we can find out the trigonometric ratios for angle 90 degrees. Okay? Let us find out. Okay? Okay? Now, for angle, BAC equal to theta equal to, for angle BAC equal to theta equal to 90 degrees. Theta equal 90 degrees. Okay? Now opposite side equal to what? Opposite side equal to BC. So opposite side equal to BC. Okay, equal to BC equal to what? All units. Okay? All units. Okay? All units. Okay? Now adjacent side equal to what? AB. Okay? Adjacent side equal to AB equal to 0 units. Okay? 0 units. Okay? Now hypotenuse equal to what? Hypotenuse equal to AC. AC equal to what? AC equal to R. Okay? Hypotenuse equal to AC equal to R units. R units. Okay? Now for angle BAC equal to theta equal to 90 degrees. For angle BAC equal to theta equal to 90 degrees. Theta equal to 90 degrees. Okay? 90 degrees. Sin theta equal to sin 90. Okay? Sin theta into sin 90. Okay? Why theta equal 90 degrees. Okay? Now sin 90 degrees equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Okay? Opposite side by hypotenuse equal to opposite side equal to what? BC. BC by hypotenuse equal to E. Hypotenuse equal to AC. So BC by AC. Okay, equal to what? BC equal to R. R by R. Okay? R get cancel. Equal to what? 1. So sin 90 degree equal to 1. Okay, sin 90 degree is equal to 1. Okay, next cos 90. Okay, cos 90 degree is equal to cos 90 degrees equal to cos 90 degrees equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Okay, equal to what? Adjacent side by hypotenuse equal to what? Adjacent side equal to AB. AB by AC. Okay? AB by AC. Okay? AB by AC equal to what? G over R. AB equal to 0. G over R. 0 by something 0. Okay? So cos 90 degrees equal to 0. Okay? Cos 90 degrees equal to cos 90 degrees equal to 0. Okay? Now tan 90. Okay? Okay? Tan 90. Okay? Tan 90 degrees equal to tan 90 degrees equal to what? Opposite side by adjacent side. Okay? Opposite side by adjacent side. Okay? Now that equal to what? Opposite side equal to what? BC by AB. Okay? BC by AB. Okay? BC by AB. Okay? Opposite side equal to what? BC by AB. Okay? That equal to BC equal to what? BC equal to R. R by 0. Okay? R by 0. Something by 0 is what? Infinity. Okay? So tan 90 degrees equal to infinity. Okay? Tan 90 degrees equal to infinity. Okay? Now cot 90. Okay? Cot 90 degrees equal to adjacent side by opposite side. Okay? Adjacent side by opposite side. Okay? Opposite side. Okay? Adjacent side by opposite side equal to what? Equal to AB by BC. Okay? AB by BC. AB by BC. Okay? AB by BC. Okay? Now, so cot 90 degrees equal to cot 90 degrees equal to what? AB equal to what? 0 by AB equal to what? 0 by R. Okay? 0 by R. 0 by R. 0 by R equal to what? 0. Okay? So cot 90 degrees equal to 0. Okay? Cot 90 degrees equal to 0. Okay? None. Sec 90. Okay? Sec 90 degrees equal to sec 90 degrees equal to sec 90 degrees equal to what? Sec 90 sec theta equal to what? Hypotenuse by adjacent side. Okay? So that is nothing but hypotenuse by adjacent side. Okay? Adjacent side. Okay? Equal to what? Hypotenuse equal to what? Hypotenuse equal to what? AC by AB. Okay? AC by AB. Okay? AC by AB. Okay? AB. Okay? So that is nothing but sec 90 degree is equal to sec 90 degree is equal to sec 90 degree is equal to what? AD. What is AD? R. R by AB. AB equal to what? 0. So 0. So R by 0. Okay, something by 0 is has infinite value. Okay, so sec 90 degree is equal to 0. Sec 90 degree is equal to sec 90 degree is equal to infinite. Okay, now the orthogonal final trigonometric ratio, that is cosec 90 degrees. Okay, now we can find. Okay, now cosec 90 degrees. Okay, cosec 90 degrees. Okay, cosec 90 degrees is equal to cosec 90 degrees equal to 1 hypotenuse by opposite side. Hypotenuse by opposite side. So cosec 90 degrees is equal to cosec 90 degrees is equal to hypotenuse is equal to what? AC by opposite side equal to what? BC. Okay, AC by BC. Okay, now cosec 90 degrees is equal to what? Cosec 90 degrees is equal to what? Cosec 90 degrees is equal to AC equal to what? R by BC equal to what? R. So R by R. So R is cancelled. So 1 by 1 is 1 only. So cosec 90 degrees is equal to cosec 90 degrees is equal to cosec 90 degrees is equal to 1. Okay? These are trigonometric ratios and their values for angle 90 degrees. Okay? Now next topic is nothing but trigonometric table. Okay? Trigonometric table. What is a trigonometric table? In the examination and the question can come. Okay? Define trigonometric table. Okay? That is why 1 marker to 1. Okay? What is trigonometric table? The table that contains the values of all trigonometric ratios of known angles or known specific angles. Okay, the table that contains the values of all trigonometric ratios of some specific angles that are arranged in rows and columns. Okay, is known as trigonometric table. Okay, now let us discuss the trigonometric table. Okay, let us discuss the trigonometric table. Now the next topic is trigonometric tables. Okay, now just now we have discussed the definition of trigonometric table. Or the trigonometric table is defined as a table that contains the trigonometric values of some specific angles in rows and columns. That is known as trigonometric table. Okay, let us discuss about the table. Okay, now here in the trigonometric table we can find all the values of all trigonometric ratios of all the specific angles. Okay, that is nothing but 0, 30, 45, 50, 90. Okay, now let us see. Now we discuss the trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. That is 0, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 50 degrees and 90 degrees individually. Okay. Now we are writing all the values in one table. Okay. By using the rows and columns. Okay. That is known as trigonometric table. So rows indicate the values of the trigonometric ratios and the columns indicate the angles, some specific angles. Okay. Now sin theta equal to what? Sin theta. Theta equal to 0. So sin 0. Sin 0 equal to 0. Okay. Cos 0 equal to 1. Okay. Okay. Tan 0. Tan 0 into what? Tan 0 equal to 0. Okay. Cos 0 equal to what? Cos 0 degree. Infinite. Okay, sec 0. Sec 0 equal to what? Sec 0 equal to 1. Okay, cosec 0. Cosec 0 degree is equal to what? Infinite. Okay, now 30 degree. Sin 30, 1 by 2. Sin 30, 1 by 2. Cos 30, root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Now tan 30 equal to what? 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. Okay. 1 by root 3. Cos 30 equal to root 3. Root 3. Sec 30 equal to what? Sec 30 equal to 2 by root 3. Means what? Sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta. So 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. Okay. Now cosec 30 equal to what? 2. Okay. Now sin 45. 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. Next cos 45. 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. Then tan 45. Tan 45 is equal to 1. Okay. Cot 45. Cot 45 is equal to what? 1. Sec 45 is equal to root 2. Sec 45 is equal to root 2. And cosec 45 is also root 2. Root 2. Okay. Now sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Then the cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Now tan 60 is equal to root 3. Tan 60 is equal to root 3. Okay. Now cot 60 is equal to 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. Okay, now sec 60 is equal to what? Sec theta equal to 1 by cot theta. So sec 60 is equal to 2. Okay, now cosec 60 is equal to 2 by root 3. Okay, 2 by 2 by root 3. Okay, now sin 90. Sin 90 equal to what? 1. Okay, now cos 90. Cos 90 equal to 0. Okay, now tan 90. Tan 90 equal to infinite. Okay, now cos 90. Cos 90 equal to 0. Okay, now sec 90. Sec 90 equal to infinite. Okay, sec 90 into 1 by cos 90. 1 by cos 90 equal to what? 1 by 0. 1 by 0 equal to infinite. So, infinite value. Okay, now infinity. Okay, now cosec 90 equal to 1. Okay, cosec 90 equal to 1. Okay, now these are the trigonometric ratios or trigonometric ratio values for all specific angles. Okay, now how we have to remember this table? We can discuss now. Okay, now. Okay, okay, now. Okay, take 0 to 1 now. Okay, 0. Okay, 0 to 4. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now divide each and every term into 4. Then you can get it as 0 by 4. 0 by 4 equal to 0. Okay, now 1 equal to 1 by 4. 1 by 4. Okay, now 2 equal to 2 by 4. That equal to 1 by 2. Okay, now 3 equal to 3 by 4. Dividing each and every number with 4. So 3 by 4. Okay, now 4 equal to 4 by 4. That equal to 1. Okay, now you got all the right now. Then apply the square root values. Okay, root 0, root 1 by 4. Okay, root 1 by root 1 by 2, or root 3 by 4. Okay, then root 1. Okay, now root 0 equal to what? 0. Okay, root 1 by 4 equal to what? Root 1 by 4. Into what? Root 1 equal to 1. Root 4 equal to 2. So, root 1 by 4 equal to what? 1 by 2. Okay, next then. Root 1 by 2 equal to what? Root 1 by root 2. Into what? Root 1 equal to 1. Root 2 equal to 10. Now root value for 2. So, root 1 by 2 equal to 1 by root 2. Okay, now next is root 3 by 4. Root 3 by 4 equal to what? Root 3 by root 4. Okay, root 3 by root 4 equal to what? Root 3 by 2. Okay, root 4 equal to no. So root 3 by 4 equal to root 3 by 2. Okay, then root 1 equal to 1. Okay, now write the sign values in reverse order. Okay, then you can get the cos values. Okay, now 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. Okay, next. If you can know, because tan theta equals to sin theta by cos theta. So, for example, we want to find tan 0 degree. Tan 0 degree is equal to what? Sin 0 by cos 0. Okay, that is 0 by 1 equals 0. Okay, cos 0 means what? Cos by sin. Okay, cos 0 degree by sin 0 degree. Okay, sin 0 degree is equal to what? 1 by cos 0 degree. Okay, now that is nothing but 1. Cosec 0 degree is equal to 1 by sin 0 degree. That is 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is infinite. So if we know the sin theta and cos theta values, then we can find the total table and we can find the total values of trigonometric ratios of all angles of some specific angle. That is 0 degree, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 50 degrees and 90 degrees. Okay? Now, this is a shortcut method. How we have to do? We have to take the numbers from 0 to 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And we have to divide these numbers with 4. Okay? So 0 by 4 equals 0. Okay? 1 by 4 equals 1 by 4. 2 by 4 equals 2 by 2 that. So 1 by 2. Okay? 3 by 4 equals 3 by 4. 4 by 4 equals to 4 equal to 1. Okay? After getting the division values, after the square root values. Okay? Root 0. Root 0 equals what? 0. Okay? Root 1 by 4. So 1 by root 1 by 4 equal to what? Root 1 by 4 equal to root 1 by root 4. Root 1 by root 4. Okay? So that is nothing but root 1 equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Okay? Now, next root 1 by 2. Okay? Root 1 by 2 is the answer. Root of 1 by 2 is nothing but root 1 by root 2. Why? Because root of a by b equal to root a by root d. Okay? So, root of 1 by root 2. Okay, that is nothing but root 1 equal 1. Why 1 1? So 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. Okay, now next root 3 by 4. Root 3 by 4 can be as root 3 by 4 equal to root 3 by 4 equal to okay root of 3 by root 4. Okay, root 3 by root 4. Okay, equal to what? Root 3 by 2. Okay, root 3 by 2. Okay, next root 1. Root 1 equal to 1. Okay, root 1 equal to root 1. Root 1 equal to 1. Okay, similarly, root 0 equal to 0. Root 0 equal to 0. Okay, so write down the values of sin theta and write the values of sin theta in reverse order. Means what? First start the sin cos theta values with 1. So 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. Okay? If we know cos theta and sin theta, then we can automatically find out the values of tan theta, cos theta, sec theta and cosec theta of 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. Why? Because sin theta and cos theta are actual trigonometric ratios. Okay, and tan theta, cos theta, sec theta and cosec theta are known as derived trigonometric ratios. Okay, that all we discussed in a previous class. Okay, so according to that concept, we can find out all the trigonometric ratio values of all specific angles. Okay, this is about the trigonometry table. Okay, now what is trigonometry table? The the table that contains the trigonometric ratio values of all the specific angles that are in rows and columns. Okay, that are in rows and columns are known as trigonometric table. Okay, this is the trigonometric table. Okay, in the examination point of view, you can ask a different trigonometric table and write the trigonometric table for all the values of known angles. Okay, all specific angles. So, we have tried the definition of you have to write the definition of trigonometric table and we have to draw the trigonometric table. Okay? And that is about the trigonometric ratios of some specific angles and the trigonometric table. Okay? In the next class we can discuss about the examples and the exercise problems which are related to the trigonometry ratios of some specific angles. Okay, thank you.